Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I made this Jack Skellington wreath using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. The skeleton I did buy online. What you're going to need are 2 t-shirts. The larger the better. I could only find a youth size for the white and an extra large for the black. You'll also need this green foam ring, and you'll also need something to decorate your wreath with, and I chose this package of pumpkins. What you're going to do is lay your t-shirt flat, and with a rotary cutter, starting at the bottom edge, cut strips about 3/4 of an inch. Once you have them separated, they should look like this. Doesn't matter if they look raggedy. And then you're just going to take it with your 2 hands, and you're just going to pull them really tight, and they're going to curl onto each other. Do the same thing with the black shirt. Couldn't use a rotary cutter because the shirt was so big I had to fold it in half, so I just cut it with scissors. Then you're going to take your ring and you're just going to snip it, so now you have one long strand. Then with a hot glue gun, find a spot and glue it, and then just start wrapping it around. Now, interestingly enough, the youth size made exactly the right size section. So I kept wrapping, and then when I was done with the white, I continued with the black until it was about the same size. And here we have both of them together, so you can see they're pretty much the same size. And then I started again with the white. And I repeated until my wreath looked like this. Then to attach my Jack Skellington, all I used was some fishing line because I didn't know if I wanted to keep him on there permanently because he is kind of a stuffed animal type doll. So I just used fishing line to attach him. I had him hold one pumpkin, and then there were 2 also on the wreath itself, and those were actually attached with hot glue. And there he is hanging on my door. I know I can use this also for Christmas, so that's kind of a double. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you.